They thought they were just testing sound waves. But what they triggered may have already existed in deep space. In 2025, scientists recreated a bomb. Not one of fire or destruction, but one that feeds off spinning black holes. A black hole bomb. And it might explain a cosmic force pulling the entire universe. Dark flow. But before we go there, let's step back. In April 2025, physicists at the University of Southampton made history. They didn't just confirm a theory, they brought it to life. For the first time ever, scientists created a black hole bomb in a lab. Now, before you panic, this isn't an explosion, not a weapon of mass destruction. Instead, it's a feedback loop of energy, built using sound waves and a rotating ring of fluid. A scaled-down analog of a spinning black hole. And what they proved is chilling. Energy can be extracted from a rotating object, exactly like how a black hole might drain energy from its surroundings. This process is called superradiance. Imagine a wave hitting a spinning object, and instead of bouncing back, it gets stronger, amplified, like it's feeding off the spin, getting more powerful with each cycle. Each pass amplifies the wave, drawing more and more energy. And now, for the first time, we've watched that process unfold right here on Earth. But this wasn't just a physics experiment. It might explain the most mysterious force in the known universe and hint at the existence of alien megastructures. Now, scale that up to black holes, to neutron stars, or to something we haven't even discovered yet. The real mind-blowing part? These results might give us a glimpse into how energy could be harvested from an object's rotation in deep space. Energy so raw and intense it could twist space-time itself. But there's something more to this. Something darker. Something that has baffled scientists since 2008. A cosmic enigma. Dark flow. Clusters of galaxies, entire cosmic megastructures are moving. And not randomly, they're all drifting in the same direction, towards a point outside the observable universe. And they're moving fast, some over 600 million light years per billion years. We shouldn't even know it's there, but we do, because the galaxies aren't just moving through space. Space itself is being pulled. Theories have floated around for years, relics from the Big Bang, hidden masses, or even parallel universes, but none quite fit. Because this isn't chaos. It's coordinated. It's intentional. Now imagine this, not on the scale of planets or stars, but of galactic filaments being siphoned like strands of cosmic spaghetti. This is where speculation begins, but science gives it a foundation. What if dark flow isn't just a leftover ripple of the Big Bang, but the exhaust trail of active engines? What if it's energy extraction on a cosmic scale? Imagine structures larger than galaxies spinning in the void, feeding, rotating so fast they harvest energy from everything nearby, just like the black hole bomb. Only these were never made in a lab. What if they've been operating for billions of years, rotating, amplifying, pulling entire regions of the universe towards them like cosmic turbines? These aren't stars or black holes. They're something else. We call them the Extractors, engines that use superradiance on an unimaginable scale, draining energy from entire regions of space. Maybe they harvest the very energy that fuels the universe itself, causing the galaxy clusters to move in sync, pulled towards an unknown, invisible force. What if dark flow is the wake of their feeding? Here's where science meets horror. If superradiance is real, and now we know it is, then energy can be harvested from space-time itself. But who or what could have discovered this ancient technique? And what if they've been using it longer than Earth has existed? What if this isn't nature's mistake, but the signature of an intelligence so advanced, it doesn't build civilizations. It builds engines. Engines that drain the universe like a dying battery, And we're just starting to feel the pull. Dark flow isn't just a mystery. It might be the universe's death rattle, echoing from something we weren't meant to wake. If the extractors exist, then they're not just stealing energy. They're rewriting the structure of the universe, tugging galaxies, twisting physics, and slowly, silently, consuming space itself. No signals, no lights, just motion and decay. The black hole bomb was meant to answer a question, but maybe it exposed one. What if we're not the first to discover superradiance? What if someone else did, long before us? And they didn't stop at experiments. They built something unstoppable. Is dark flow a symptom of a broken universe or the footprint of a cosmic predator? They say the universe isn't just expanding, it's being harvested. And if it is so, what happens when it's all gone? And who or what is waiting in the dark to feed? So if this theory sent shivers down your spine, hit subscribe, because the next revelation might be even darker. And if you've got your own theory, drop it in the comments. We're just getting started.